We're having a Matter Day. It's a day of science for third grade, and the purpose, really, we wanted to give the teachers some extended planning time and the kids a unique experience. And so we are using staff, including myself, to run through rotations of science, all dealing with matter, and so really hands-on experiences for kids. Covers their SOLs that they need to learn, and it gives the teachers some time to do some work, some deep planning, some professional development that they need. Happy kids learn better, and fun is a really great way to do that. In science, we could read about science, but it's a lot more fun when we're doing the science. And so we really just want to give the kids the experience and really want to teach them to be inquisitive and to ask questions, to observe and explore.
We're learning about hot water and cold water and how long it takes to dissolve.
I think it's important because we get to learn about different stuff, and we get to learn new things.
I really like science and school, and especially special days.
What's happening? The balloon is blowing up, right? It's all about different parts of matter. My station is with the 3 states of matter, but as they go into other stations, they're looking at mixtures and solutions, how things dissolve, how things create solutions, what is a mixture, what is a solution, and what heat does with that. So very targeted on the standards that they have for third grade.
It does not dissolve in water. Does that make a mixture or solution?
In this classroom, they're learning about solutions and mixtures. So they're taking solids and adding them to water and seeing if they dissolve or if they don't dissolve, and determining whether that's a solution or a mixture. It's fun because a lot of the solids are things they're familiar with, and so they are excited to see the things maybe they cook with in their kitchen or they have at their house, and to see what they think might happen before the experiment and then what happens after they do it. So it's fun to see their reactions.
We've went to Miss Augie Ibrahim's room, and we've learned what dissolving is, and we just went to Miss Henry's room, and we're learning what thermometers are for.
Do you remember the 3 stages of matter?
Gas, liquid, and solid.
There's these things that we just like, wait a second, how did that happen? And so that conversation is really rich, and you get their attention, and that's part of the job as a teacher, get their attention. I think they're really excited. It's kind of different, it's new, and it's novel in that it's not every day you get your principal to teach you the science. So I was a 4th grade teacher, and I taught physical science in 8th grade for a year or so, and so it kind of is a fun day for me as well.